So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $2,000, as you can see over here on my screen, with this high ticket affiliate marketing system without spending a penny on paid advertising. So if you're watching this video, you're going to discover exactly how to go from step 1 to step 3 as a newbie, as someone who wants to make $500 to $2,000 per day in affiliate commissions online without spending a bunch of money on ads. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, this system is paying daily commissions, right? As you can see here on my screen. Now let me show you exactly how it works, right? Once you are in your email, right? Once you get the sale, basically, you will get the email, as you can see over here. Congratulations, you made a sale, right? It was exactly 42 minutes ago, so I did not do any work. It come in passively, right? So that's the beauty of this system once you set it up correctly. So let me show you exactly how it works, right? Once you go into the affiliate system, right over here, you can see inside your dashboard you will have everything. You have your marketing pro, digital marketing training, on traffic sources, free organic traffic, social media marketing, and also Google Ads. The second step is your leads, right? Your lead generation system. You're gonna get your affiliate links, your own traffic store, right? Solo ads, referrals, as you can see over here, right? And autoresponder. Email autoresponder is key. You don't have to pay for other softwares out there. You can just use the company's software, right? And build your own email list, and that's how you can make free money, basically promoting the system, right? The digital marketing system, business opportunity, and make money online in the same time with this affiliate system. So it works really, really nice once you have someone to guide you through step by step along the way and show the ropes of how it's done. So this is do it at self-paced rate, right? It's not watching videos, it's not buying a course, right? It's about using the system, learning and earning in the same time. So I have been in contact with the CEO of this company recently, a few days ago, and what we have discovered is if you're going to set up exactly personal branding funnel that I'm going to be able to give you as my team member, I'm going to be able to provide a free funnel, sales funnel for you to use it to make money online, to make this 2,000 or 500 per day dollars commissions, right? So what you can do next, if you're watching this video, if you really want to get results with high ticket affiliate marketing, right? And if you're really serious, right, you can reach me out here. You can see on my Instagram, right? Over here, you can reach me out over here, and I'll personally make sure that we can connect one-on-one, and I can show you exactly how this system is done, how you can start generating results, right, with this system, basically with high ticket affiliate marketing. Or if you want to do ClickBank or MaxWeb, low ticket products, we can do that as well. But the most important thing in this video is, as you can see over here, right, as I have shown you before, over here, right, you are getting your own back office, right? You're gonna get like you join Facebook or Netflix. You get your own username, your own password. You join, you get your own traffic store, your affiliate links. You get your video training material step by step every single day. How to set up correctly, how to set up this affiliate marketing system that's going to pay you daily affiliate commissions daily. And you also get my bonus. So what is my bonus? My personal help, right? I'm giving you my exact strategies that I'm personally using to generate those high ticket affiliate marketing commissions every single day. So I have reached top 10 super affiliates on the leaderboard of this current company, which is actually high ticket affiliate hybrid system. Works really well if you're a newbie, if you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're a single mom, if you're someone who just came out of university, who wants to make money online, or if you just want to make extra $2,000 per month or extra $2,000 per week. That can be doable, right? If you have a system and someone to guide you through along the way and show the ropes, right? Hand holding, basically show how it's done correctly, because it's all about pre-selling, right? Lots of people think it's really hard to sell a $2,000 or $5,000 thing, and it's not true. You don't have to sell it, right? You have to pre-sell it, right? There are audiences out there, huge audiences, like personal growth, personal development, right? Self-help niche, huge niche, like law of attraction and a manifestation niche, right? Huge niche with people who are paying up to $100,000 $50,000 for coaching programs, for seminars, right? So if you know how to tap into the niche, you can make really, really good money on the site online without having to waste a bunch of money on Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, and and wondering basically how you're going to get more money to spend on ads. So the beauty of this system is that you can get 80 to 100% daily commissions paid instantly in the same day. So you don't have to wait 30 days, right? You don't have to wait to get the money. And that's the beauty, basically. You can reinvest the money, and this is like your personal Facebook or IG, or I don't know what you're using, YouTube or whatever, WhatsApp ATM machine. You can print money with this system, basically. I know how cliche this sounds, but it's true. Once you understand how this works, right, you understand the truth behind the system, and certainly generate very, very certain results with this system. As I said before, remember, it's paying out 80% daily commissions, upwards up to $2,350 per sale. So if you're really serious, and if you want to be in our team, if you want to join us and work together with us and have our sales funnel, without using ClickFunnels, of course, our sales funnel and having our system, then let me know after watching this video. You can reach me out, as I said before, right? You can reach me on my Instagram over here. So just reach me out over here, right? Send me the message and I will connect with you personally and make sure that I can help you to get set up and running. But you need to have at least minimum $500 to $2,500 or $3,000 on the side to really start generating this high ticket affiliate marketing commissions. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video so you can get more helpful tips.